Oh my gosh, ladies. Can you believe it's almost been 5 days since I last saw you? Probably plenty of time for you, but last week we were talking about moving from uncertain to unstoppable, and we just couldn't resist. We wanted to offer you this great opportunity to put your money where your mouth is. If you're one of those people who keeps putting yourself last with the very best of intentions to get going, the overwhelming feedback we heard from you was that you needed a personal plan. So we're going to do a personal plan workshop. So please consider joining us, read the email below, and move from being uncertain to unstoppable. The goal here, friends, as I navigate my tech, is for us to finish 2020 strong, continuing with this awesome community, both of FIM and of unfuckwithable people, and moving into 2021 with a completed personal plan. Consider joining us, bring your accountability partners, and let's get to work, because this is the beginning. I want to see you winning. Happy week. Enjoy this Monday and kick butt, take names. Thanks for being at the FIM conference. I had a blast. So grateful we're connected.